Hello guys and welcome back to another lecture. So today we will be solving this pattern program. So we have already covered two lectures on pattern. The first one was a basic program where we just printed 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the next class we covered something like this 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I have derived this program from the code of this one. I hope you remember that, and this is covered in lecture number 11 and this was part of lecture number 10. So before this video only I posted this one, so go through it if you haven't gone already. So in this class we will be covering this program, how to print this pattern. This is an interesting one, and if you guys can observe, like I will again do the same thing. I will again write the code of this first program which we have written in our first pattern class, and from that I will try to derive this program. So you can also identify a similarity, like the first line it is only one, in the second line it is printing two values, here also it is there are two values, in the third line there are three values, here there are also three values. So most of the part will be similar, there will be a subtle change, like the even the loops will be similar. The outer loop I and the inner loop j, thus they will be running with the same conditions, like you will be amused to see just a single change and the whole thing will be printed over here. Like let me copy the code which we have already written for the first program, int I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus. And we have done what? We have done int j equal to 1, and we have run j till I, and then we have incremented j by 1, and we have printed j over here. And then we move to a new line with the help of a system.out.println statement, and that was our first program. This is our first program. We have already covered that in lecture number 10. Go through it you have if you have not already. Now the output for this program we have already done with the help of grind and 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you can observe something, see here the numbers are getting printed in ascending order. First one, then in the second line two, three, then four, five, six. Like if you can track it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13. All these values are getting printed, but just we are separating them into line. This one is in the first line, this 2, 3 in the second line, then 4, 5, 6 in the third line, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the fourth line. In the second line there will be two values, in third line there will be three values, in the fourth line there will be four values. So how can we make that change? So how can we print the pattern? Now for this there are multiple ways to solve, but I think the easiest one will be to keep a counter. Now what is a counter? Counter is just another variable where we will be storing the values. Now we will start a counter from 1 because we will be printing our program from 1. So we are starting or we are initializing the value of 1 to the counter variable, that is c over here. And what we will do, we will make two changes in the program. See, instead of printing j, we will be printing this counter value, and after printing this, before ending the loop, we will be making another change. We will be incrementing the counter value by 1. That's all. Then we will be getting this program. Like with this one line change, first line, second line, and third line, with this three line change, the whole pattern is getting changed. And even the loops are same, but just a difference in three lines. Now if I do a dry run, I will again make value for I. Here it is for I condition, then j, then the condition of j. And let me remove this one, and let me print the output over here. All right, so here is the output portion. So what is the value of I at first? Value of I is 1, and suppose n is given 5 by the user, because we are printing for 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have already discussed, for I we take the number of lines, and for j loop we take what will be printed inside those lines. J prints the content of the line and I prints the number of lines. So n is 5 over here. So what is the condition? 1 less than equal to 5. Yes, 1 is less than equal to 5, condition is getting satisfied. Then it is moving into the inner loop. J's value is 1 now. So what is the condition over here? 1 less than equal to i's value is 1. So yes, it is getting satisfied. It is entering the loop and it is printing c. Now very important part, what is the value of c? The value of c was initialized to 1, so it will print the value of c, that is it will print 1. And after that c is getting incremented by 1, that means c became 2. Now j will get incremented again, j will become 2, but now the condition will not get satisfied. 2 is not less than equal to 1, so it will break out of the loop and it will blank print statement, that means it will move to the new line. So it moved to the new line, and I will get incremented. From I was 1, now I will become 2. So it will check the condition again, 2 less than equal to 5. Yes, 2 is less than equal to 5. Then it is entering into the loop, and j will become 1. Now what is the condition over here? 1 less than equal to, what is i's value? I's value is 2 now. 1 less than equal to 2. Yes. So it will enter and it will print the value of c. What is the value of c now? The value of c is now 2. And then the c's value will be getting incremented by 1. C will become 3. Now j will also come back over here, and j will get incremented to 2. The condition will be checked again. 2 less than equal to 2. Yes, 2 is less than equal to 2. So it will enter into the loop, and it will print the value of c. What is the value of c now? Value of c is now 3. See, the value of c is now 3. So it will print 3, and c's value will be incremented by 1. C is now becoming 4. So j's value will be incremented again. It will turn 3. 3 less than equal to 2. No, the condition is getting dissatisfied. So it will break out of the loop. Blank print statement. That means it will move to the new line. Now i's value will be turning 3. I's value was 2 as for now. Now it turned 3. 3 less than equal to 5. Yes, 3 is less than equal to 5. So just a minute. Let me make some yeah. 3 is less than equal to 5. So the condition is getting satisfied. J is again initialized to 1. J's value is now 1. And j will be running how many times? J will be running 1, 2, 3, and 3 times. J will be running 3 times. And in the 3 times, what will happen? Okay, let me show it instead of just writing. J's value is now 1. 1 is less than equal to 3. I's value is 3. Yes, condition is getting satisfied. It is printing the value of c. What is the value of c here? Value of c is 4. C will be getting incremented by 1. C will become 5. Now j will also get incremented. J's value will become 2. 2 is less than equal to 3. Condition is satisfied again. It will enter the loop and print the value of c. C is now 5. C's value will be incremented. C will become 6. Now the loop ends, and j will be getting incremented again. From 2 it becomes 3. 3 less than equal to 3. Yes, it entered again, and it will print the value of c. C's value is now 6. C will be getting incremented to 7. So 3 less than equal to 3, then j's value will become 4. 4 is less than equal to 3. No, the condition is getting dissatisfied, and this is how the loop will run. Then I will become 4, and for 4 j will run 4 times. If you can understand now by seeing the pattern, for I is value 4, j will run for 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, and for 5 the condition will be getting dissatisfied. And in this 4 times, what are the 4 values that will be getting printed? We have done up to 4, 5, 6, 7. The next values will be 7, 8, 9, 10. C will be getting updated accordingly. C was already 7, so 7 was printed. Next time C would have become 8, then 8 would have been printed. So this is how we are making this code. This is how we are printing this pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this was our desired pattern. See, that's similar to what we were trying to achieve. So just by changing 3 lines, just by initializing a counter, printing that counter, and incrementing the counter, we are converting our the code of our first lecture into this one. So this is very important question for your ICSE purpose and for other interview purposes also. But like this is very easy one. Like if you can understand the first program, this will be like a cakewalk for you. So yeah, that's all for today's lecture. But I will be giving a homework to you. Let's try to solve this one and post the answers in the comment section. This will be a homework problem for you. Let's make it a bit complex. Okay. So like let's try to do 5, then let's print 3 3, and then let's print 111. Okay, you can do this one. 5 3 3 1 1 1. You can try to solve this one. If this is complex for you, let's make it a bit simpler. Like try to do this one. 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 1. This is a lot simpler. This will be simple for you one. And do one thing, try to solve this one also. 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2, 5 4 3, 5 4, and 5. Like these are easy ones. You can make it on your own. And another problem, suppose 5 okay, just a bit interesting one. Let's make a certain change. Okay, we can do like this: 1 0 1 0 1, then 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1, 1 0 1. Like this is an interesting one. I need to solve this one, I think, but this program will be similar to this code 1 2 3 4 5. If you can solve this program, then this will be a cakewalk for you. So try to solve these programs, and I hope this lecture is clear to you. This will be an interesting program for your ICSE purpose. All right. So that's all for today's lecture. If you find this lecture helpful, please drop a like, comment on the videos, and share it to your friends. Also subscribe the channel and help it reach those children or those students who are not capable of paying tuition fees, because I am doing all of this for free. So I need support from you guys. All right. Thank you. Goodbye, and all the best for your preparations.